In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online. The profit and loss report is one of the most powerful tools in QuickBooks Online, giving you a clear view of your business's income, expenses, and overall profitability. Whether you're preparing for a meeting, analyzing trends, or comparing performance over time, customizing this report can help you focus on the data that matters most to your goals. And the good news, QuickBooks Online makes it simple and flexible. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Now, let's dive in and get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and look over to the left side of your screen. Click on the Reports option in the left-hand panel. This will take you to the Reports section where you can access a variety of financial reports for your business. Once you're here, you'll notice there are different categories of reports available. For this tutorial, head over to the Standard tab. This is where you'll find commonly used reports, including the one we're customizing today. Now, to locate the profit and loss report quickly, use the search bar at the top. Go ahead and type profit and loss into the search bar. Once it appears in the results, click on the report name to run it. At this point, the report will load using its default settings, which provide a basic overview of your income and expenses. Once the report has loaded, you'll notice a toolbar at the top of the page. This is where you'll begin customizing the report to suit your needs. Let's start with the report period. On the left side of the toolbar, you'll see an option to select the time frame for the report. You can choose from preset ranges like this month or last year, or you can enter custom start and end dates. Pick the time period that's most relevant to your analysis. Next, let's narrow the focus of the report by applying filters. On the right side of the toolbar, click on Filters. This will allow you to customize the report to include only specific classes, locations, customers, or accounts. For example, if you want to see income and expenses for a particular project or department, you can filter the report to show just that data. Now, let's talk about sorting. If you want to reorder the lines in the report to make it easier to read or highlight certain details, you can adjust the sorting. For instance, you might choose to sort by total amount to see your biggest income or expense categories at the top. You can also customize the columns in the report. Depending on your preferences, you can display data by total, by month, or by quarter. This allows you to see trends or patterns in your income and expenses over time. Simply adjust the column settings to match the level of detail you need. Finally, to get even deeper insights, you can enable comparisons with other periods. For instance, you can compare the current period to the previous period or to the same period last year. QuickBooks Online will even show dollar and percentage changes so you can quickly spot growth, declines, or significant shifts in your financial performance. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fully customize your profit and loss report in QuickBooks Online to get the insights you need to make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.